So if you ever come to the NURBURGRING, check out this post because you can't miss me, because I've kind of plastered myself all over it. So there you go. We go that way?
No, that way.
These are some beautiful roads, mate. Look at that road. Mate, I've been on some roads in my time, but this road
I told you they're good round here.
Very, very nice roads. There's a big car park, isn't it? It's kind of weird seeing NURBURGRING in real life.
Yeah.
It really is weird. It is a shame we don't have no paint.
Right.
Or nothing.
Might be able to find a bit of chalk on the floor or something.
So we're now going to have a walk, not a drive, a walk on the NURBURGRING. It didn't say in the brochure how cold it'd be.
Oh no.
Right then, this is the maiden voyage. One big step for mankind. No, one small tree for one giant. No, just get on here, mate. Come on.
Oh no, I just want people to remember that I've been here. Don't stick.
Lots of stickers here though. That one there. That.
Oh, everyone puts stickers in, yeah.
Oi. Right then. We're on the famous. We're on the NURBURGRING. Because we had some chalk.
Yeah, it would.
We need some pictures of here, bro. We do.
Yeah.
So what do you all think of this adventure so far? So there's going to be separate episodes of this adventure, like, you know, different videos each Saturday, Sunday, whatever. But I'm also going to do a full feature video of the whole European man tour. That's what it's going to be called. And we're going to kind of it's not ended yet, is it? No, it's not ended yet. But we thought we couldn't get actual driving video of us up and down the NURBURGRING because it's closed. Because if you look down there, they've got digger work and they've got all mud on the road, so unfortunately that's why it's closed. So I actually wish I bought some pen or some crayons or an art set, because I would have loved to have put some I'm Stokesy graffiti all over this. It's unreal. I can't actually believe I'm actually on the NURBURGRING. Do you know what I mean? It's one thing being a spectator, it's another thing whizzing around it, but actually walking on it. But listen, not a single sound. Not a single sound.
It's quite eerie, isn't it?
Yeah. Mate, I can't believe. Can't we go and get a tin of paint? We got it, mate. We got to, mate. Because I mean, it's not everybody does it. Huh? We do need to, yeah. Oh wow.
It's like an indicator connector, isn't it, or something?
Yeah.
It's all burnt as well. Charred. God.
Well, should we take a few pictures? We're gonna go get some food and whatever else now.
Do that. Do the pictures. Go get some food. Get some spray
So
paint.
what we're gonna do now? We're gonna take a few pictures, you know, in our best poses.
In my German jacket. Delete that.
Right, what we're going to do, we're going to take some pictures now, go and get some food, and then we're going to come back here tomorrow, and then we're going to do a bit more fun. So yeah, I'll see you all shortly. So We are at the third hotel, and what can I say? I'm really happy with this hotel. So just had a shower out. It's a nice hotel. I've nicked the bed because it's a double bed with 2 mattresses. I'm not going to sleep with the older bearded, so I put my bed in there. Can't sleep in here, so my snoring ass can be in there. But the best part about this hotel is the bathroom. Oh, I'm in love with the bathroom. Look at this shower. I mean, what's the power? Oh shit, I'll get wet. Crap, I soaked the place. Anyway, it's a powerful shower. Dry my foot. This hotel is absolutely amazing. The first hotel was crap. The second hotel was let's just say run by Yakuza, Japanese Yakuza, and we're in this third hotel, which I'm really happy with. I'm a man about a shower. I absolutely love a good shower, and this has got a good shower. Also, soft close toilet seat, towel rack, which is warm, radiator, keep the towels warm. Oh, look, I'm balls out now. Anyway, moving on. I do like a good shower, and that's a good shower. So we're at the hotel now, and we're going to chill, relax, and just chill for 5 minutes, and then start our journey tomorrow. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna go sleep. Good morning, everybody. Morning, Colin.
Morning.
So this is our view of our room. Look at that. Morning, neighbours. It's a very cold morning today, and it's a very wet morning. Got Stonehenge there, look. A little bit of Stonehenge, a little bit of English heritage here, which is nice. What plans for today, Carl?
Nordschleifer.
Lord Schleifer. Put some light on the situation. Kind of made a mess of the room we have. Can't take English people anywhere.
No, not at all.
This is my bed. Didn't want to get too close to Colin. So I'll be here, shoved away in the corner. Right then, so we're going to get everything ready, and then we're going to get breakfast, I suppose. I've got Itch here, and then be on the journey, so we'll catch you then, and I'll see you shortly. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the road again, and it's a very wet day. So it's a very wet day in Germany.
Don't like the ring.
Yes, a very wet day in Germany. So now we're going to the NURBURGRING.
Nordschleifer.
The Deutschschleifer.
Nordschleifer.
Deutschschleifer.
Nordschleifer. Nordschleifer.
We're going to the Nordschleifer.
Ooh.
So yes, next time you see us, we'll be at the Deutschschleifer. What is it?
Nordschleifer.
Nordschleifer. Yeah. Anyway, I can't speak German. So I'll see you in a second. So we're going past the NURBURGRING, but you can't see anything. It's like you can't see nothing.
Ghost town Nürburgring. It actually feels like that. Why is the camera so close to my face? if somebody passed away at the Nürburgring and it was like Silent Hill, this is what it would look like.
You just made it so fucking morbid.
Morbid, I know. But that's the feeling I got when I was driving up here, like, oh my god.
So this here is a roller coaster in the Nürburgring that they never finished. They obviously started it, and you can clearly see it's like fully, developed, but they never used it, never finished it, which is quite sad, because I'm pretty sure that would have been a really good thing to experience. 2003 M3, E46 M3, oh, lovely car, yeah. Quite cheap to buy now. Well, no, they've gone up now, it's something terrible. So this is the boulevard, this is, ladies and gentlemen. This is obviously where they host car shows and all sorts of things. They've got all the years of BMW down here, 2009, 2011, and then they go all the way up to 2022 up there. M2 right there, M4. So here's the roller coaster. Oh mate.
But look at the tracks have got no marks on them, where they
No, of course not. Now that's a roller coaster. Gee, wow.
It's cool, isn't it?
So that's Silent Hill, that is. So yeah, this is the roller coaster that was never finished. That's unbelievable, that is. I'm petrified of roller coasters, but even more petrified of a fog being around a roller coaster like this, because it's got that ominous, is that the word, ominous? Sort of spooky sort of vibes going on. But yeah, there's the roller coaster they never finished. So we've now gone past the horror NURBURGRING theme park, and now we're going to look at some motorsport equipment.
It's a nice M3.
It is nice M3, nice wrap on it too. Yeah. I like that wrap. I'm not really one for like wrap, but that's a matte. No, it's a satin wrap, isn't it?
Do you like my wrap?
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Enjoy it.
I just touched it. Shit. It's a nice wrap, isn't it?
Manual.
Oh, is it manual? Yeah, it's lovely. Really nice car. I like those wheels too. Look at the brakes on it. Woo! You got a picture of me on this one. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Did that one of these before?
Dude,
Me.
have you? Yeah, you show us.
So nice.
GT3. Wow.
See the clutch plate.
Look at that fully carbon GTR. Wow. Thing is, this is a nice car, but GTRs are too plastic. This BMW Cafe Racer. I mean, look at that paint job on there. Wow.
That's nice, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is. I love BMW Cafe Racers. This thing's gorgeous. Unreal. These tyres.
Yeah.
I bet they're not £65 a job.
No.
Mate.
You feel they're grippy. Really soft. Super soft.
Like, warm up fast, don't they? Oh, look at the size of that for a turbo.
Now that is a big turbo.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, that is a beast.
Oh, she's got a bit of rattle.
Yeah, it's that clutch plate.
That'd drive me insane, that would. So, although this place is off season, it's still an experience, a big experience, and I'm enjoying it wholeheartedly. I've got a lot of editing to do, a lot. I don't see any value in Prada glasses. They can go and do one. Ray-Bans only, unfortunately. That Maybach though.
That's freaking nice, isn't it?
Right. I don't know what that means.
NURBURGRING tattoo. That's cool.
What?
Tattoo studio.
So you'd have a Nürburgring tattoo?
Yeah.
Would you have one?
No.
All these BMWs. I think I found it. That one there, look. It's not an Alpina. Alpine.
Oh, Alpina. It is Alpine, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was thinking of Renault Alpine.
Photos.
God, it could be. 2002 Ti.
See, that's not pillarless, though, is it? Or no, it's not pillarless, is it? No. So we're trying to find this BMW that we found here with all these BMWs, but we're still trying to, See, it's got the hook, look.
That's it, isn't it?
That's it there. What is it? Can you read that?
BMW CSL Lauda. So it's a Niki Lauda car. That is, but obviously that one wasn't. BMW CSL. So it could be a BMW CSL.
Oh, no way. Mate, that is it. That's 1,000,000% it. It's €80.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. €80. So the car that we found is there, kind of. That is it, yeah. There's the headlights, look. That's that car.
Oh, wow.
And it's sat there in the barn in France. Oh, well, not a barn, well, kind of a barnish. It's got my wheels on. Got my touring wheels on.
Yeah, I like those.
That's why I chose it, ladies and gentlemen. If you're wondering why I chose those wheels for my E30, because I wanted to have the touring look. Even the, yeah, definitely. I didn't want to go for the BBS. I went with the touring kind of style wheels. Look at that, look, Capri. See it?
Oh, yeah, that's cool, isn't it? I like the Mark 1 Escort out there.
Yeah, where? Oh wow, look, mate.
No, there.
No, I was looking at that out there. It's Opal, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, where's the Escort?
Behind your head, like a gold and red one.
Oh yeah, look. Oh.
We have a couple of those come to Revival.
How do you?
Yeah, really, really nice cars and amazing.
Oh mate, I just. Oh, look at the Rover. Look at this, look.
So
SD1.
V8 in it, I think. Oh, there's so many cars in there.
E30, Escort, mate. How much is that?
Oh, you don't want to know. €79.
Look at this one here, look.
One at Cosworth Evo.
Look at these, bro.
Yeah, I know.
This here is my all-time favourite BMW. Yeah, the BMW M1 is my favourite BMW. If I ever win some money, I won't be buying one of those. The GTE. Oh, mate, look, Opel Rally, Capri RS.
Oh, look, that's what we saw yesterday.
What?
The Renault 5.
Oh wow. It's a
So
Renault
nice.
5
that's a
2,
maxi-
isn't it?
That's a maxi turbo, that one, but the
Oh,
one
is
we
it?
saw was a Renault 5 Turbo 2, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
Turbo 2, yeah. Wow. Mate, this is a video on its own. God, I'd love to collect these. That's Alpina, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
I get the mix up.
Very
This
easy to get mixed up.
Alpina, Alpine, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. €29.
Oh. I like that.
Now that is a nice warm hat.